Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Kraken Aura. Begin by focusing on level progression and sea trials tasks to qualify for the Aura reward. Prioritize daily bounties and faction rep boosts while exploring rec sites. Use a dedicated route to farm submerged relics efficiently and team up with friends to finish timed objectives. Keep an eye on event windows and reward thresholds to avoid repeating chores and maximize progress each session. To earn the aura, you must clear specific content and meet level requirements, so plan sessions around those objectives. Focus on sea trials, chapters that unlock diving zones, and time challenges. Schedule runs when you have a solid crew, because the Kraken miniboss is easier with coordination. Track progress toward relic counts and timed completions, and swap roles to keep runs fast and efficient while minimizing downtime between attempts. If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: I enjoy The Simple Path to Wealth, a book that can change how you think about money, and it pairs well with patience while farming long unlocks. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab it if you want a fun diversion, and now let's get back to the video. Smart planning makes the grind feel light and purposeful, so build a routine you enjoy. Optimize loadouts for underwater mobility and oxygen efficiency, and assign roles like Navigator, Relic Hunter, and Defender to teammates. Run the same route consistently to memorize spawn points and hazards, and swap tasks to avoid fatigue. Celebrate small milestones and use boosts during double reward windows to shorten the overall time to unlock the aura.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.